Today we're looking at the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox LT in an Iridescent Pearl Tricoat. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our cloth interior heated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. Inside we also do have our infotainment system with Bluetooth capabilities. And further down you'll find our volume scroll wheel here in the middle and our climate controls right below that. Further down you'll find our USB charge port to go alongside our aux port as well, our drive modes, shifter, 2 cup holders, and our park brake here in the middle. Speaking of middle, we also have additional storage inside of our middle console as well. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we do have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and right below that we do have our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here, on the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings. This vehicle also does come equipped with keyless entry, remote start, and push to start ignition. And if you put it in reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our cloth interior seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. 2 vents, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. In the middle we have our cup holders. And of course these seats are retractable. You can find the controls here at the top. Just pull down the lever and these will come down no problem to maximize your storage here in the back. Checking out the exterior here on the LT, we do have our gold Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our grille, as well as our LED headlights and fog lamps. This vehicle also does come equipped with paint protection on the front as well. Down below we do have our lovely 18-inch rims on our no-can tires. Chrome accents along our windows, as well as our keyless entry, like I mentioned earlier. Tint in the rear window. And if you make our way to the back, we do have our gold Chevy bow tie badge at the back as well, with the all-wheel drive LT badge on the right and the Equinox 2.0 on the left. This vehicle also does come equipped with our dual exhaust. And if we open up the lift gate here, we have plenty of space and storage in the back, with hooks on each side to strap in anything you might need, with additional storage underneath. These seats are retractable, like I mentioned earlier, to really maximize your space in the trunk. And that is our 2018 Chevrolet Equinox LT in an Iridescent Pearl Tricoat. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help any questions you may have.